What's going on, YouTube fam? The man, the myth, is ZX Predator coming at you with a mini short video, and it's actually kind of like breaking news. Reason for that is I think the unthinkable has popped up, and the reason why I'm doing this right quick while I do my Dunkin' Donuts run and head to the post office is because I have some questions. Some people need to provide answers. But those of you who are familiar with TTS Performance that created the supercharger aftermarket add-on for the Gen 3 Hayabusa, well, I think I'm in glee right now because out of the horse's mouth, they're making a TTS supercharger for the ZX14 Gen 2. I'm not sure if it's going to be exclusive, if you can slap that onto a Gen 1, but from the horse's mouth, there is a supercharger that will take 12 weeks to develop, and they're taking orders. It's on their YouTube page. I saw it like when I woke up. I'm like, nah, you gotta be crapping me. No way, no way. And lo and behold, they're claiming that it's going to be more powerful than the TTS Super Busa, with 400 real horsepower with headroom to spare. You hear me? If this is true, I gotta make some phone calls and figure out if, with the high compression motor that I have, if that will be even compatible with Zeus. If not, then I'm about to see if I can reel some things in. But a supercharger versus a turbo, like turbo, you have a greater ceiling, but the supercharger, you don't have to worry about some of the issues in terms of like boost leaks and things like that. I mean, well, damn, you're talking supercharger like H2 stuff, technology. And I'm just like, yeah. And in my last video, I think I did say that, I'm done with Zeus or whatever in terms of, messing around with them. But if that supercharger is something that can go on my bike, lo and behold, like, if I say that I'm going to get it, I'm going to get it. I've said that about my 14. I said about the motor work. I said about the carbon and whatnot. If I want that TTS supercharger and it's within reach, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it just to have it. I was like, holy cow. I could not believe what I was listening to. And I on my gaming podcast, when I was active, I used to really wait and just wait for other folks to come up with stuff. But this came from the head of TTS Performance, that they're doing a supercharger for the ZX14. Breaking news. I could not believe it. I could not believe it. I'm like, are you serious? Are you serious? Well, damn. All right. So to the ZX14 community pages on Facebook, for my channel, for you 14 guys, that is interesting. I gotta do some more research. This is not the first video you're gonna see on this, but that's a supercharger finally in development for the ZX14, and Kawasaki didn't do it themselves. They were just doing on the H2 platform. Man, I am gonna see. Because YouTube will probably claim it, but I'll just put a link in the description from TTS themselves that says that a ZX14 supercharger in development, which is going to be putting out more powerful numbers than the TTS Super Busa. This is going to be interesting. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Breaking news. Time for some research, folks. Peace.